Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do the Bohemian Knotless Braids using the Supreme Expression hair and the Go-Go Curl hair from Features brand. So I'm going to be using the two hair together, but first of all I'm going to section out the hair. For this size I'm doing the medium size. So I'm just combining the product, and all the product I use in this tutorial will be linked down below in the description box. So please check it out. So I'm just sectioning out according to the size that you want. For this size, we are doing the medium size. So I'm going to start braiding with her natural hair before fitting in the extension hair, which is the expression hair. You can use the Supreme brand, and you can use any brand of your choice to achieve the style, but I just prefer the Supreme hair brand, and it's linked down below in the description box. So you're just going to braid like quarter, and you're going to add in the curly hair into the braid. And you're going to take out one piece of the curly hair, and you're going to tuck it away so it's not bothering you. You're going to braid in the other curly part like another quarter inch, and you're going to take it out of the braid. And you're going to continue braiding all the way down to the desired length. For this length, we're doing to like waist length. So we're just gonna add another curly piece of hair, and you're gonna bun it into the lighters. So the curly piece of hair, you're gonna section out the straight hair out of it, and you're gonna use your scissors to cut it out. And for the bunning, you can also use nail glue, but I prefer the lighter because it's easier, and you should have something like this. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to leave it down below in the description, in the comment section. I will be sure to answer your questions.